It's important to be able to deliver customers the choice of how they want to consume our technology, whether it's SaaS or appliances or on-prem software. And the best part is we're just getting started.
Since launching Metallic, we've had very positive feedback from the market. Great coverage in the press, the industry analysts see the need for it, and partners are very excited about the opportunities with it.
This whole journey started by listening to customers and partners. And since we launched, we've gotten a lot of feedback still, and we continue to listen.
What's great about SaaS offerings is that we can do automatic updates. So we can do feature releases at different times. We don't have to wait to do them every quarter. So look forward to new features and offerings from our roadmap.
We'll continue to optimize and grow the business and focus on the experience for our partners and customers as we have an eye on rolling this out globally.
If you'd like to check out Metallic, you can visit the website at metallic.io, where you can try out 3 different free trials for all of our offerings, and you can get up and running in as little as 15 minutes.